On your PEX potable from a well, use plastic fittings. I'm adding some PEX water supply lines in my home, and so I picked up some brass fittings. But then I was reminded that you can't use brass on well water. Instead, you need to use plastic fittings. The well water will leach alloys out of the brass and will essentially dissolve it, and it will get weak and fail. Thank goodness this package had a nice friendly reminder on the back which says, install plastic PEX fittings when the water source is from a private well. So, just a reminder, on your PEX potable from a well, use plastic fittings.